some kind of forums are really useful from the perspective of evangelizing the technology and communicate what are the trends to our partners as well as to the customers. And this will be very, very meaningful in terms of understanding where the IT industry is growing, where the technology is moving, especially now in the world where there is a major shift happening from the infrastructure perspective, where it is basically moving from the privately held data center into the cloud platform. People are looking at what are the various solutions that are available, how they will meet their requirements or their demands, or how it will solve their business issues. So these forums are really useful. It's a very good event. I said there's a good number of audience have come in. It's very well organized by VMware India, I would say. Maybe more useful one feedback which I have is that if we can bring in some kind of a customers and more partners into the forum, maybe the senior folks from the partners, and make the content also relevant to what their expectations are. That will really help to make this event much more better and meaningful. Plans clearly is that there are three areas which we have identified as a focus areas, the strategic areas for us. One is the software defined data center, another is hybrid cloud, third one is the end user computing. Software defined data center is the one which is the comprehensive integrated solution which we offer it through the vCloud suite, which helps the customer to bring in the cloud benefits to their data center. In other words, it helps them to set up their own private cloud and reap the benefits of the cloud what they offer. Second is that hybrid cloud, how in a cloud world they will have a mix of both private cloud as well as the public cloud and have the capabilities of moving the application back and forth, portability part of it, security part of it, how it's taken care. Third is the end user computing platform. What we have seen happened in the data center world, there is a revolution or the shift happening in the end user computing platform where the bring your own device and people end user wants to have the device of their choice. So it comes with a lot of other issues. So the end user computing platform basically addresses those issues in terms of delivering the applications to the device of the customer's choice. So these are the three priority areas for us for this year. Strongly placed. If you look at it in the last 1 year, there are a lot of strong government deals which we have won. I'm not going to say the names of the things because of the reference perspective, because that's one segment which is growing very, very strongly. Government is also looking at seriously in terms of how they can adopt the cloud. That's where the VMware plays a critical part. And they also started looking at bringing in the business agility into their data centers, like where they are running the NIC and other places, how they can want to bring in those efficiency into the data centers the way they run it. And we are very strongly placed over there, and we have very good wins in the last 1 year with the government. I think they are looking at their own way. As I said, cloud means it's not necessarily the public cloud. They are looking at maybe a private cloud or in their own data center. For example, most of the government applications or their applications of the data are residing or run and owned by the NIC data center which runs. Now they are looking at if the cloud are offering these benefits, how I can bring those benefits into my data center, or they are looking at setting up their own cloud. That's where we play a key role over there. And at the end of the day, it's not the technology or thing. People are looking at how they can bring down the cost, bring in the cost efficiency into the way they run their IT. So that's what exactly the cloud address. I think I would say yes, they are serious about it. It's a matter of time. Maybe it's a time taken, maybe a little bit longer, but it will be a